Tired of bank queues and clunky computers? Let's ditch the drama and learn how to transfer money like a pro using the NedBank app. First, unlock your phone and tap the NedBank app icon to open it. You'll be greeted by your account overview. Make sure you have enough funds available in the account you plan to transfer from. See that Transact button at the bottom of your screen? Tap it. This is your gateway to all things money moving. Now you'll see options like internal transfer for sending money to other NedBank accounts and external transfer for sending money to accounts at other banks. Let's start with an internal transfer tab. On internal transfer, you will be prompted to enter the recipient's NedBank account number, their branch code, and the amount you want to transfer. Double check these details. Accuracy is key. Add a short description for the transfer for both your reference and the recipient's. If you want to send to a different bank, return to the Transact page, select external transfer just like before. Carefully enter the recipient's bank name, account number, branch code, and the amount. Before the money zooms off, you'll likely be asked to verify the transaction using a one-time PIN sent to your phone or through biometric authentication. This keeps your money safe. Once verified, you'll see a confirmation screen showing that your transfer was successful. You can even save this screen as proof or share a notification with the recipient. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money using the NedBank app. Now go forth and conquer your finances, one transfer at a time.